Okay.
Ready? Action.
You can take for him, for a boy. And that and dialogue. Then it will, that is will it in cinema. If you want that. Just for extra, no? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Great. Great actor. Great.
Great actor.
Great actor. Great actor.
Ready now. Ready? Ready? Action.
Great.
I just take
Great. Great actor.
Great actor.
Great. Okay. There. No need. It's on it. Behind the scene, no? Is there is in the frame, bro? Is there is in the frame?
Ready? Action.
Oh, para dengan betul ni. Para.
Ready? Action.
You will be dubbing, no, boys? That's why I'm speaking, okay?
Yeah.
But I'm little bit, I'm confusing now, okay? Hey, my bro won't dub, I think so. That's I think I'm afraid, no? Yeah, great. Great actor.
Tang to last dialogue yung
Hello.
last dialogue. Tang last dialogue. Yang no? Last na. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, chino mo. Yes, time.
Is there in frame? Is there in frame in my...
Yes, it's there in the frame.
Okay. I'll bring it that side, no?
Wow. So ready? Para bang? Can be last dialogue. Ready? Action. Good.
So hi guys, you're watching Noteki Films and
Hi.
Jisogake and Nick Motion Studio. So today I'm here in Shillong. Here's my friend, Storyteller Linden. He's a great filmmaker here in Meghalaya. So please do subscribe his channel, Storyteller Linden, and do subscribe my channel too, Nick Motion Studio and Jisogake. So here is the actor. I don't know his name now. I will ask his name. Okay. What is a good name?
Crowbar.
And here is a actress of the movie called what, sir? What is the name of the movie?
The name of it is Ngarmet Noklajat.
Harmet Noklaja. Okay, great. So what is a good name? Wanda Pugna. Great. So here is the three members of Storyteller, and he also. So they're a good guy, and I will show you. I want to meet you, the one and only Mr. Story Linden. Yeah,
Yes,
bro.
nice to meet you,
Okay,
brother.
thank you.
So I
So,
wish you all the best.
thank you very much.
For your channel also. I hope that it will be growing up day by day,
Yeah.
and we have to be collaborate
Yes.
from now on.
Yeah.
And I hope and you will be success.
Okay, thank you for your kind. So guys, as I told you before, just now, so please do subscribe his channel to let's tell the name of your YouTube channel.
My YouTube channel is Storyteller London.
Linden. Okay, do you hear that? Storyteller Linden. Please subscribe. Okay, and please tap the bell icon to get a notification. So watch more. Stay tuned. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you.